Hello guys, how are you? Today we discuss about how to make money online in Pakistan. There is so much ways to earn money online, but we discuss a few. For earning money online. You can use any freelancing platform such as Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Nowadays, you can earn by creating content on YouTube. Number three, to earn money, you must have skills which are in demand, like web development and web designing. Everyone wants to earn money online in Pakistan as most people don't have a job and want to support their family with increasing inflation and unemployment in Pakistan. People are looking to have another source of income. Most students try to earn money online and sometimes they fail prey to the scammer. If you are a student and wants to know that how to earn money online in Pakistan, then you came to the right place. All of us have a search about how to earn money online in Pakistan, and we came across many ways to earn money online. Some ways are legal and some are not. Did, don't you worry, we got you. You will get to know about all the ways to earn money online in Pakistan through this article. Some common questions which Pakistani people search regarding earning money online. What is the real way to earn money online from home in Pakistan? In this uh, in this video, you will get answer to all these questions. Just spare some of your time and watch all the ways to earn money online in Pakistan. There are several ways to earn money online in Pakistan. Here is a list of ways to earn money online in Pakistan. Freelancing, digital media, blogging, academic writing, data entry, developing website and apps, graphic design, YouTube, selling products on any e-commerce website, start content writing work, sell product on Facebook or Instagram, offering tax services, become a reviewer, proofreading. All ways that are mentioned above required some sort of skill, but in some you just need to give your time. Freelance. Most people, especially students, are familiar with the term freelance. A freelancer is a person who is self-employed and is not committed to any specific employer. In many fields and industries, the term freelancing is common. Music writing, acting, web designing, graphic designing, translating, illustrating, film and video production are the fields where freelancing is predominant. Some companies of organizations hire freelancers. Freelancer work with companies and or organizations, and this does not make them their employer. Rather, they work with the company on a contract basis. Different freelancing websites. There are different websites where you can find different kind of work and earn money online. Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, People per hour, etc. Website where you can find work according to your set of skills. Freelancer is a popular and common freelancing website. You just have to make your profile on it and provide a payment system you will use and your credit and debit cards details to receive payment. Or you can use PayPal as well. You need to bid on projects to get work on it. And number two, Upwork. Upwork is also a popular freelance website. The work you get here is authentic and you get work from verified accounts. So Upwork is much better if you want to get good and authentic work. You will need to make a complete portfolio on it, and Upwork will review your profile. After reviewing, they will inform you about the status of your profile. If they have work available relevant to your skill, then you can bid on different projects. You will be informed if your bid is accepted or not. Fiverr. Fiverr is another website where freelancers are earning a lot of money. You can find different types of work on it. Most Pakistani students are using Fiverr and earning a lot of money just to make a profile on it and add your gig. For example, you are a website developer and a person click on your gig and review your profile. If that person like you, then he or she will hire you. People per hour is another website where you can earn money online in Pakistan. Here you can charge clients by your per hour rate, make a profile on it and start earning from home. You can get writing work or any work you want. Okay, take care. We will meet in a next video. Bye bye. Take care.